I noticed a flicker. The battery could be on its last lap.
Just like on race day, starting your vehicle every time is only the beginning. A healthy battery powers your Lexus for all demands. Over time, every battery wears down, and in cold weather, a worn battery loses cranking power and can leave you stranded. Having your battery tested by a Lexus-trained technician helps ensure you're ready to go. Now, if you're not sure which battery is right for your Lexus dealer offers 3 options tailored to your powertrain. Whether you drive gas, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or fully electric, there's a battery designed for your vehicle.
Now that's more like it, because if you can't start, you can't win.
Proper maintenance equals excellent performance. Visit your local Lexus dealer for all your service needs.